guys, today we'll see uh, on the website eConscience, okay, how it is working this all. So for that, like in the network eConscience, yesterday we have seen, right, how to work on the network eConscience. Hold a minute, one call is there.
Pour Ouattara, c'est une révolution soutenue par tous les Ivoiriens. Ce n'est pas un coup d'État, affirme alors Ouattara, c'est une révolution soutenue par tous les Ivoiriens.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Hello?
See, yeah, some pause was there. So what we will see the inside the website how the conscience will find. Like yesterday we see the network inside the network. Like we have used Multico with the help of the Multico how we are getting the informations like information gathering. This completely we are working on information gathering tools we have
Mhm.
inside of the Kali Linux and the Kali Linux how it is giving me the complete information, right? So today's our work we will
Mhm.
see like in the if we go to work on the website like a GUI based we'll see understood and perp the very much important things perp is it's a you can say the advanced the tools for it's a acts as a proxy if you have the idea on the proxy how the proxy is working so how your proxy is working we'll see understood with the help of our website or our browsers will be use the browsers with the help of our browsers will be use the proxy ips will be provide and it will be redirect the traffic to there and then after see what is happening why will we use the proxy question is there I'm asking you a question well what is the meaning of proxy you have idea of the proxy
The means of it because it is like to open information by using some visual observation to other
uh,
method.
yeah correct no the proxy exactly what I'm looking for I'm not coming like some information gathering no proxy is telling you in place of you I'll be standing in place of you some other you can say
The
other
the
tool.
voice is breaking over here.
Yeah, what I'm telling you, if I'm using the proxy, if I'm using the word proxy, proxy is giving you the information in place of like Saurabh is sitting here, Saurabh is taking class, okay? And you are not aware about who is the Saurabh. You have paid for the classes, for the Saurabh classes, and for the CSS and all other parts, right? So in place of Saurabh, some other tendencies came and they are providing the classes for you. So that means the Saurabh is acts as a proxy. In place of Saurabh, some other people is sitting. Same thing in the website. What is happening? In place of like if you redirect the traffic, like if you open the facebook.com, try to understand what is the concept is here. If you open the Facebook, understood? I open the Facebook. Where? In the URL. Correct. In the URL, I type facebook.com. Understood what has happened? This Facebook will be redirected to the other place. Understood. Maybe the IP that I have provided 127. This is the loopback 0.0.1 and port number is 8080. By default, the port number 80 is for HTTP. Correct or not? So here the standard port we will use the 8080. I will show you today this part. Okay. So what is happening? It will be reached here. Then after what it will do? It will open the packet, open the your traffic, and it will capture everything inside that. Understood my point? It is capture everything inside that, and then after it will send this traffic to the internet when the traffic is coming from there also, the traffic is
So
coming
the
from
voice is
internet.
breaking.
When the traffic is coming from the outside, also from the internet, right now clear?
Okay.
When the traffic is coming from the outside, from the internet to access to, when it is reached to you, what has happened? It will open the brackets again. So in our Cisco, when you're coming to Cisco, we have the appliance. We are using the appliance that is known as our WSA, Web Security Appliance. Understood? By, it's a specific appliance is there. WSA is there, and in some other vendors they are using also some different. So you can say different appliances is there. Understood? Right? So here this is the WSA. Let me come here in Cyber. How the Cyber is providing this part. Understood? So let me come and let me see this part. So first, what you will do, you should come here. And what I will do, let me show you. Open your browser, okay? And inside the browser, what you will do, build with technology. You type here, build with. What I'm giving the website name, you should write this website name. Understood? So this is one website.
Sorry, your voice is really breaking there. I'm
okay,
not able to hear you properly.
Wait a minute. I open this. Right now it's clear.
No,
right now it's clear.
Yes.
Compared to before, this is fine. Momo, this is fine.
Yes, yes.
See here, what is happening? What the website name I'm giving you, these are very much important websites. Okay, so I am writing your build site, build with. Okay, the website is here. I'm using just open it, build with. Okay, why it is not reaching? Because I changed the proxy. Understood my point? So what I will do, let me come here. See here, I open the build with technology. Open there inside your browser.
Yes, I open,
okay.
I open it already.
Okay, if I'll be reach here, find out what website are built with. Okay, it is giving you the complete information about complete stuffs. If I'm talking here, the build with is giving you right here the points. I'm here, and if I'm talking about the build with this website, build with is giving you complete how your website is designed, which programming language they are using, website design. Understood?
Okay.
Your program language means complete details stuff you will get through your this website. Understood my point? Let me see. I have the website, right? My company name. So what I will do, I will come here and I will open here AWS networking. Okay. I open. I'm going and I'll be check how they have designed my website. You my point? So let me click on that. See. So inside the AWSnetworking.com, this is my company name. Inside that company name, it is giving you, it is work with Facebook pixels, converting, tracking. Are you getting? So with the help of what we are doing, try to understand. We are collecting the complete information, complete info. Understood? Or this is the part of your information gathering, passive reconnaissance. Understood my point? So here
Yes.
that Google Analytics is there. Why? This Google Analytics is there because I have paid extra to GoDaddy. I paid extra to GoDaddy, like you will give me the ranking on the Google. Are you getting my point? For the advertise and all.
To boost your website.
Yeah, obviously. Yeah, correct. So like this is the way inside that. These are the programs, these are the sites you will get here. And let me come down here. In the down part, you will find here, see, reCAPTCHA is there. This is also inside my site. See, understood. View Google Trends, view Google Trends. Okay, if someone is accessing from Apple, they are getting this all points. See, it came here, delivery by GoDaddy. Are you getting? So if you want to know the website, like information gathering, these are the best platform. Like I have given you the site, this information built with. You understood? Very clear my point. So GoDaddy,
Yes.
clear. Come down back. Facebook SDK, like everything you will get here. Class names are there. After that, these are the information about your JavaScript. Understood? At my website. See, build with going to access your AWS networking. Clear? Understood my point? SSL. See here, this is my SSL part. This is my This is my SSL. GoDaddy is provided with the SSL. Understood? Hosting is also provided by GoDaddy. Clear? Come down. Email address. Email is provided by the SPF. Clear? GoDaddy is also providing me the DNS is GoDaddy. So this is the website information. Webmaster is the webmaster registration with Google. Clear my point? So these are the steps inside that. With the help of what? Build with technology. Look up, we will get the information, complete information about the website. If you want to change the other website, you can get it here. Understood? Clear? Right this way. Okay. If you want to check, you can check it. Clear my point? Next web is
Yeah.
If you want to check the Tesla, you can check here. Here I will write here the Tesla. Tesla.com. In the Tesla.com, let's see. See, that is the Tesla. Okay. Adobe is there. Clear? Akamai is there. Okay. Are you getting the points? Next is my come down. See, optimize 364 CI. This is the big website. Okay. So Tesla. So build with by giving you the complete information how it is working. Understood? These are the widgets. You will not find these widgets inside my website. Understood? So these are the widgets is there. Twitter is connected with that. Are you getting? WebEx
Yes.
system, WebEx of the Cisco. If they want to connect remotely, some kind of stuff they have to work, it's a WebEx panel they have here. Languages, what the languages they are using inside that. That the French is there, English is there, Chinese is there, German they are using inside that, Spanish they are using inside that, Japanese is there, Korean. These are the languages inside that. Your Tesla. You know my point? So if you go with the big websites, big companies, all they will give you the complete information with the help of your Wellwith.com. So you can check with this one. This is completely identifying the website technology. We are working on the we are working here. What it is some stuff not more important. Okay, but if you want, you can go through that with your build website. Build with what is there. Let me write here. What you are getting here. The points are here. This is all is giving you the information about your identifying website technologies, identifying, 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 identifying website technologies. Understood?
Okay.
You know, next, what I will do, I will come and I will use a Weblyzer. Okay, hold a minute.
And they do a tremendous job sealing.
Here we have I'll be use of Weblyzer. These are the extension. Understood? Weblyzer. Weblyzer is there. These are the extension. I'll be add this extension here. Understood? Weblyzer will be open. You check this one. Weblyzer Firefox. Firefox.
What is the use?
This will be giving the information. It will be go and check, right? If you want to check Tesla, okay, Tesla. Let me show you how it is working. You should come here and try to open here. Weblyzer Firefox. See, it's open here. Weblyzer Firefox. Come here. This one. Understood? Extension is there. Are you getting? If will be click on that. See here, it is asking you to add on the Firefox, right? Already I installed. Already I add here. It will be add. This will be adding here. Clear my point? So after that, what you will do? If you will be check any websites. Right now, I'm going to open here. You should come here and you will find in the Weblyzer. Right here. I'll be check here. Tesla. Tesla.com.
Okay.
I open the Tesla here. Okay, see here, if I'll be open the Tesla, you are getting some kinds of information. It is broadcasting here. Understood? Three options is coming, right? It will be open this one. See, for this one, it is open and it is giving you the information about HTTPS, miscellaneous. It is using the JavaScript. What is the important that things only it is providing you? Understood my point? See, if I'll be open this one, what is giving you? This is giving the information about Weblyzer. Through Weblyzer, you are reaching to where Tesla. In the Tesla, they are using the HTTP version 2. Will we go there? It will show you what is this one. JavaScript. This is the language they are using. YUI 3.10.0, the advanced version. Understood? And they are using the Apache server. Here. So with the help of this Weblyzer, you can monitor. If I'll be reach here, see technology driven. If you reach here, this will be giving the information. Weblyzer. Understood? Clear. What I am doing, I'll be reach. I'll become Tesla use. I'll be open here. Google. See here again. If I'll be open Google, here something is broadcasting. Understood?
Notice same thing.
Same thing, yeah. That the advanced version is there, so same things will be come to you.
Okay, just check your website and see.
See what is coming 9. Clear? Open it. GoDaddy, widgets is Facebook, analytics is Google Analytics, JavaScript is this one, miscellaneous is this points. This is CMS, understood? Who is provided the building of information that is coming on the CMS part. Okay, JavaScript are the things. You understood? Are you getting no?
Yes, yes.
So these are the, with the help of this one. What is the importance? I'm not going very deep. If I'll be go to this points, the back one. So this will giving the complete information. If I'll come on the web is what is the most important. That things only open inside your web browser, and with the help of that browser, you can get the information.
Okay.
Understood?
Okay.
So these are the parts here. Next, I'm coming on my engine. Let me come to there. See here. Let me reach here. What I will do, you should open this CLI. Inside my engine, if I want to check the information about my browsers and all, I will use WhatWave. This is the command I will use here. Okay. So let me write here. It will be click WhatWave. Are you there?
What?
WhatWave.
Yes, I'm there, sir.
Yeah. See how to use WhatWave. WhatWave you should write options and URL. You should type target directly. Enter the URLs, host names, IP address, file names, IP range. Are you getting? Complete like 192.168. What is the website range? Is there 1.12? If they are using 192.168.1.5, this is the range, IP address range of the website. So you could use this one. And so it is depends upon it. So you have like one website means website is there. Inside that one website have the 4 or 5 subdomains you are using. So subdomains, the IP address is inside the same network. So you can use to check your targets information with the help of WhatWave. Understood? Input file like this is read target, accretion. These are the syntax. Like this, with the help of this syntax, you can get the information about the WhatWave. So what we will do, let me come on that and we'll find it, how it is working, how it is giving the information. Okay. So let me come on that and we'll find here. I'm writing here WhatWave. Okay. Then after HTTP, see exactly the information what you need here with the help of this in the Kali you will get. Okay. So I'm writing HTTP. The URL is mine. AWS networking.com. Okay. Like this is the way it is giving you. It is giving the target how to reconcile on the target. Understood? Enter the URL. So I have given here the WhatWave, then after I will type my URLs. Okay, so just come on that and we'll find how it is working. So this is a way you should have to enter it, and that's that it is collecting the information through the internet, and it will be giving a C. What is coming here? Let me explain you the parts here. It is giving the information. See. HTTP is this one. Cookies is this. Cookies information. Country is in Singapore. Okay. AWS name is provided by. IP address is 182. A redirect to where? Redirect location is HTTPS. I use only HTTP, but it is redirect my service, redirect my website to the HTTPS. The name is a2snetworking.com. Understood? Let me giving the more flexibility, collecting the more information. What I will do in place of this right here. It once. What web? See here. What web? Then after. Wait a minute. HTTP. I'm not given the complete information. Wait, Memo, it will take time, okay, to collect the complete information. See here. These are the headers, okay. See here. I designed my website. Inside my website, see, these are the mail ID. Saurabh at the rate of A2S networking. Are you getting complete information with the help of what? What web? Check it now. This is all passively conscious, okay. So what you are getting here, see, I type this one, okay. The website name is this. Cookie is this, country is inside Singapore, it's shown me. HTTPS is this, after that it is redirect. IP address 182, redirect location to the HTTPS. Okay, see here. If you'll be reach this one, email, this is my mobile number 63. Are you getting? See, complete information. You understood my point or not? See, apart after that, the mail ID. To mail ID Saurabh at the rate of A2snetworking.com, Saurabh at the rate of A2snetworking.com. To mail ID I am using here. This is provided by the GoDaddy, okay, and this is using the HTML, HTTPS server. This all information, this one, and this is the your script, okay. A2S networking is why A2S networking. What is the facility you will get inside that? A2S is giving you IT networking and consultancy, Cisco, CCNA, what are the courses inside it, everything you are getting. This is the header. This is the complete information, title informations with materials, IT services, IT networking and consultancy. Are you getting my point? And after that it is closed. It is content is security policy, and then after this is the information. Clear my point? So with the help of this one, with the help of this FOT web, you can get information about redirection. It is redirect all information. It will be collect from your website, and then after it will be replicate here on your CLI. Yeah.
Okay.
Fine. Okay. Next is mine. So we have seen 3 today. Information gathering, right? Info gathering. Yesterday 2 or 3. Yesterday also 3, right?
3.
Today also.
Build width, vaporizer, and what we have.
Yeah, this is 3 today. We have seen. Yesterday also 3. Total 6 we have seen, right? On the info gathering. Are you getting? Next is
Yes.
what we are going to see verb. We are going to work on the verb. Okay, how the verb is working. Okay, let me come on that. You understood this point? Clear, right? Let me come on that. For verb, what you have to do, see, you come here and type verb. Verb is there.
What is this?
Verb acts as a proxy. I told you, right?
No.
No, in the start class I told you, no, proxy, how the proxy is working. Understood?
It is verb sheet.
Yeah, verb. Okay.
This is also used for a connection.
Yeah, it is also used for the connection. What it will do, it will redirect your connection to here, and then after it will monitor, getting the complete information. You understood my point? Okay, fine. Close it. After that, you will get this one, this page. Are you getting this page? Like this. Open it.
1 minute, sorry. Yes, accept. Yeah, I'm getting this page.
Okay.
They're asking me to update. I will update
No
for
need,
the
not
moment.
required. After that, after the class, if you want, you could update on that. Okay. First, see
No,
how the features on that is kind of. Okay. Burp is coming. After that, what you have to do? Ignore it and go on the next point. Next. Okay. And what you do? Start burp. Okay. Start burp. Clear. This is started. After that, you will get the page like this way. This is the page. Clear?
Yes.
You got this page?
Yes, I got this one.
After that, what you have to do? You have to come here and you have to open the browser. Web browser. Mozilla. Mozilla. Okay. You try to open this one. After that, what you have to do? Follow my steps. You should come here and then after go to the preferences. Okay. Inside the preferences, come down. Go on the settings. Settings, come down. See here. There the options is telling you no proxy, auto detected proxy, use proxy settings or manual proxy. You should come on the manual proxy. Okay.
Just give me 1 minute. You said inside preference, I have to go to
Wait a minute.
setting, network setting.
You should come here. Go to the preferences. Okay.
Yes.
Preferences is open here, right? Like this will be correct. Go complete down.
Okay.
Down. Reach to the network settings. Okay. In the network settings, open it.
Okay.
Here we get this one. Configure the proxy access to the internet. See what is the word is telling you. Configure proxy access to the internet. So what is happened? See, try to understand. You are sitting here, okay? This is the PC, your PC. After that, this is the internet. basic configuration I'm calling you. I'm not giving you the firewall is between that and all steps. Okay, this is the PC and directly you can approach to the internet. On the internet, you are looking for some kinds of sites. You are opening some sites like Facebook.com. Okay, Facebook.com. You want to open this website. Okay, if I open this website, what is happening? The traffic will be initiated from you, like XYZ is sitting here, or Momo is sitting here. Okay, so Momo, if you access to internet to the Facebook.com, what it will do, you have to initiate a traffic, right? The traffic is initiated. Initiate the traffic. Where it is reaching to the Facebook. But if you use the proxy inside the browser, this is the browser proxy. Okay, so you have to open the browser. Inside the browser, you have to create the proxy. What it will do, before going to internet, it will reach here to that part, to the proxy. Understood? Here inside your browser, proxy is there, and this proxy is what I'm using here. The proxy is my Burp. Okay, Burp is my proxy. Are you getting my point? Okay, so what is happened when you initiate the traffic from here, from your end to the internet? You want to open the Facebook. First, it will reach to the Burp. After that, it will go to the outside. When the traffic is coming from the outside, it will reach to the Burp. Then after, it is reaching to you. So it is thinking, it is the work as when you initiate a traffic, when it is go to outside, Burp is acts as a client.
But what is the importance of Burp now?
See what is happened when the attack is coming. When the attack is coming, it is not reached to the real client. Understood? It is block, or it is reached to the proxy instead of the real clients. Understood my point? It is not damage the real clients. Because of that only we are using the proxy always. Inside the proxy we have so much signatures are there. Understood? So inside that, what is happening? You can capture the packets. You can find what is the traffic is going through that. Understood? And if the traffic is coming from the outside, even you can check it. We'll see this point. Clear? So what is happened when the attack is coming from the outside? It will the signatures are there. With the help of these signatures, what it will do? It will just drop the packets, and you will find that the information like this is a malicious packets or malicious like you can say your services is there, so don't access this service. Clear my point? You understand? Yeah. So like this way the proxies acts. Okay, proxies reacts like in the right manners. So what you have to do, you have to use the 127.0.g2.1, then after like the port number I'll be use the 8080. Okay, you should use that point. After that, what you have to do this point, you should come here and open the other tab. On the other tab, you should write STT.
Open what?
Other tab. I'm
Okay.
Open the other tab. Inside other tab, you should use to open the site is Burp. HTTPS Burp. Open it. You are getting Burp, right? But I'm using the signatures because of that signatures. If I'll be, wait a minute, hold a minute. No proxy. Okay. Okay. Come here. Open it again. You got Burp page? You got Burp page?
No. We are having trouble finding that website.
Okay, come here. Wait a minute, it will open it.
You are still on manual proxy configuration or use system proxy setting.
Okay, 1 minute. You have been forwarded. 1 minute, just a minute. Server not found. Okay, 1 minute. You will get the certificates because through that I have to upload the certificates inside my browser. Okay.
Software is preventing Firefox from safely connecting to this website. Advanced.
Yeah. Wait a minute. See here, like this way you will get HTTPS. Or you should type here Burp CA certificates. Okay, Burp CA certificates. Open it. Where is the CA? First, you should come on the Google. And here you type Burp.
So nothing is working in my side again.
See here, it should become like this way. CA should.
No, just come back to your network.
Okay, network. Okay, hold second. You should come on the preference part. Inside the preference, what you have to do, network settings. If you reach on the network settings, then after open the settings part, inside settings we have here no proxy, auto proxy, use system, manual proxy. I'll be use the manual proxy. Understood?
No,
Right.
but my network was working before, but now whenever I try to do any research, it is not coming.
Oh no, don't try to open it right now because it is reaching to 127. You understood my point?
Even if I remove 127, it is not coming.
If you have to remove no proxy, it will be work. So directly access to your internet. Clear? You understood? Okay.
I will see.
And then after you have to check out this one, use this proxy servers for all protocols. And then after okay.
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 After it, what you have to do? You should type here HTTPS but see here, it is asking you for certificates, right? Come here. Are you following the steps?
Yes, I was there before, long time back only.
Then after reach to the advanced here. Advanced is open. Open the advanced. Okay.
Whenever you click, no, you don't.
Accept the risk and continue. If will be reach on that, after that you are getting this one. That SSL certificates, it is asking you to continue for that. Understood? What I will do, I will accept this one. If will be accept, you will reach on the HTTPS. You understood? You will reach here. It will redirect to this page.
Yes, yes, I have the same page.
You got? You reach.
Yes.
Then after CA certificate is there. Open the CA. Here, already I have the CA is there, but you have to save this file. Clear? So
Okay.
when you will save, follow my steps. When you will save the file, it will be reached on that. You should open it. See here, this is the file is there. Clear my point?
Yes.
What you have to do, you should come here. And again, you should come on the preference part. Open the preferences. And then after you should come on the this part, this one. Security. Open this security. Open this security.
Okay.
Come down, down, down. View certificates. Okay. View certificates is there.
Yes.
Open the view certificates. See
Yes.
here, I have the PERP certificates is there. I have already provided the PERP certificate. You have to upload the certificates. For that, what you do? Import. Import options is coming there.
No, no, no.
Come down, down, down. In the CA, this is a certificates authority.
Go up, go up. I will see something.
Okay, wait a minute. See here, what you have to do.
Go
After
back
that,
and come again. Okay. View certificate.
certificates.
No,
Okay, you downloaded certificates right here.
Yeah, yes. Come to view certificate.
Preferences, you should come here in the security. You should done. Your certificates come here. It is open like this way. Certificate manager.
Yes, it is opening.
After that, what you do? Come down.
Okay, import is there now. Import is there.
What is there, right? Open the import.
Yes.
And what you have to do? It will open that. ESRTER. Okay. Click on that and open it. Understood? Clear?
Yes.
It will be reached there. After that, what you have to do? You should come on that here. After that, here what you do? You try to open Tesla. Tesla.com. This browser. I open this browser on the Tesla.com. Hold a minute. Advanced. Just a minute. Come here. Go in the settings, preferences. Okay. What you do? I will try to open A2S. It is redirect to here, this one. Burp. Are you getting redirecting this one?
Wait.
Proxy will be blinking. This one. Understood? This point will be blink.
It is mine is still loading for the moment.
Okay, wait.
It is still loading.
See here, this is the proxy. Are you getting?
Till now, it is still loading for mine.
Still loading.
Go back again and try to open that one.
What do you do?
Just give me 1 minute. I'll see something.
Let me back there. Okay.
No. Just
You
wait
want the
1 minute,
steps?
please.
You want the steps?
No. Just wait 1 minute, please. I'm checking. Any website I'm trying, it is loading only. Nothing is coming.
Okay, it is loading, right? You should come here on the bar. Understood?
Okay, on the burp, okay.
Okay, open the burp.
My burp is already open.
In the burp, it is showing in the proxy that something is coming inside that.
Proxy, yes, it is one line post gen. Second, host, Google, cookies.
Just hold. See, I started my burp. Okay.
No, I will restart mine also.
Yeah. What you do now? Restart your this one. PC, this part. Okay.
Burp.
No, this Kali. See here, it will redirect to here. See, are you getting? If I open here, Facebook, I'll just redirect to my burp. Understood? And then after you reach this one, it is blink. So you should open the proxy. See here, this is the proxy I'm getting for my Facebook when I
okay.
open Facebook.
Just give me 1 minute now. Okay, once I open burp, I have to come and type one website, right?
No, website you have to search on the browser because browser is redirecting.
Yes, on the browser, exactly. So it is loading there.
It's not redirect there.
No, it is loading when I come to.
See, I open. Wait, hold a minute. You close this all. That's what I'm telling you. This will be closed. Yes. Close all browsers. Close your burp. I closed everything. Okay. What you do? Come here. Follow me. Open the burp. Okay. Okay. Close. Don't go for update right now. Then after it is asking, you should have to. This is the free version. Okay. That's why it is telling you professional. Burp should professional. Community edition. Free version. Understood? Go next. Start burp. Okay. You're following my steps, right?
Yes.
Start burp. Let it be connected. Oh, it's connected. Okay, what I will do, see, nothing is giving the information. It is like silently, right? Here, no features is coming inside. What you have to do, you should have to come on the browser. Open my browser. Okay, this is my browser. Inside the browser, what I will do, I will come here and I will write here A2S networking, right? I want to check my website information. So A2S, let me write once again. Okay, I typed this. Understood. Wait, come here on the console. See, the proxy is blinked.
Yes.
Open the proxy. Inside the
Yes.
proxy, this information is coming. Host
But
is
it is not. Okay. Host is.
Firefox. Okay. Come here. This is the information through that it is going. Okay. If you want to check the IP address, come here. This is the IP which is it reaching, which is it is using. Understood? With the port number I given 8080.
But we don't have the same information. I have some information, but it is not the same.
You open the same.
Yeah, the same.
A2S networking.
Yes, give me permission. I will show you my screen.
Okay. WebSocket history. 1 minute. Options you should come. This one the options I am using.
Yes, option is same.
Option is same. Just a minute. Target is mine. 1 minute. Just hold a minute. Let me start once again. Let me restart once again. Okay. See here. What I will do, I will come on the bar. Next, start per. See here, it started. Okay, come on the proxy. See, no intercepts is there. My intercept is on. Are you there? Okay.
Yes,
No
yes.
intercepts are there. Understood? Come on the HTTPS history. Nothing is there. WebSocket history. Nothing is there. Options. If you come, this is the options. Okay. I have to intercept when the traffic is going from there. What you will do? You have to intercept. Understood? So by default, when you will use the proxy, automatically it will intercept. Clear my point? Understood now? So what you have to do? See, inside that your browser also you will check right this way. Nothing is coming. No information. So how it will do? This would come on your browser. This is my browser. My browser is open. See, my browser is open. Inside my browser, host is what? Kali is there. By default, Kali is open. If I open the Kali, by default, it is reaching to Burp. Let's check it. You understood my point? Clear? And this is the
Yes, yes.
there. This is the intercept is there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
This is the history, HTTPS history, how it is going. 23, 23, 23, 23. Understood? Target.
And now try to open another website. I will see.
Okay. No drops. Intercept is on. Intercept is on. Try to open. Come here. Open the Facebook. Facebook.com. Okay.
For me, the problem is that it is okay. Just open Facebook.com. I'll see what will happen. For me, it is still loading only. Nothing else will happen. That is a problem for myself.
Your certificates you have uploaded there.
Yes.
Have uploaded your certificates. Come on the preferences.
Yes.
In the preferences, what you do? First you check.
I did that already.
Once again, sometimes it will not work. Manual 127.0.0.1. Go and check it now. Port is 8080. Use the proxy servers for all protocols. Okay. Clear?
Just give me the permission.
Okay. I give any permission. Seriously.
This will stop other screen sharing. Do you want to continue this?
Okay.
Oh, you can see my Kali now?
Yeah, this is your Kali. Fine.
No, this is not my Kali actually.
This is your Kali.
Wait. You can see my Kali screen?
No, not right now.
And now?
Started. Yes.
You can see now?
Yeah. First, what you do?
This is view certificate, right?
Okay. Come down.
It is not there.
Come down, 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 down. Not from this side. Not from this side.
Which side?
Yeah. Yeah. Yes. 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 Import.
I imported already. Already installed.
Okay. Okay. Close your Kali. Settings. Yeah, fine it is. Okay. Close your Kali. Restart your Kali once again.
My Kali.
Close browser, everything you close first. Shut down. Close all tabs. Yeah, you are getting here, no? See, this is here. This is the correct way.
But I'm not able to change anything else. That is the problem. Like
But
if I
what
want to check for another website, nothing is coming.
see, it is coming. No, it is networking. It is reaching here.
Yes, that is reaching.
At 182, you're reaching. Correct.
Okay, for example, now see, when I go to browser,
Huh?
it will come directly on Kali, right?
Huh?
See, when I type like Facebook,
.com.
see,
See, 172. Yeah, you see here. No, that one more. It is coming here inside the IP. Open the other IP. See how many it's showing. Yeah, it's open. No, save browsing Google.
but where is Facebook?
See, it is reaching by going via once face safe browsing google.com. Okay, you go there. It is not opening the this one host, but is the safe security it is showing you. Open the other browser. See, 1 minute. Hold a minute. What I'm telling you. How many IP addresses there? Check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right.
Yes,
1, 2,
5.
3, 4, 5 is there. Open there.
Mm-hmm.
Go and open some other like Google, YouTube. You open YouTube.
I'll check this on my web. It came.
It's came right.
Yes.
You understood my point. Intercept it. This is the intercept is coming.
So what is the real need for this one actually?
This is what it is telling you. It is giving you the complete information to reaching, going to the outside, how that intercepts is there, the programming language, how the programs inside that, what is the IP address inside that, but the help of BERT. Clear?
Okay.
Are you getting? When the traffic is coming from outside, when kinds of the malicious is there, it will be blocked by the BERP. Why? Because we use the certificates, BERP certificates. Inside the certificates, already when the certificate is matching, it is allowed. When the certificate is not matching, it is been dropped by the BERP itself. You understood my point? What I'm telling you. See, if the communication between you and me is going with English language, right? You can understand.
Okay.
So this is the certificate. Inside the certificate, you told me before joining the class, sir, I know this language only. Try to understand the concept. What is happening inside the certificates? Certificate is telling you certificates have the already tuned signatures are there. Understood? So signatures is what? If the signatures is matching, see, if you go inside the bank, your signatures are there, right? If the signatures are matched, you can withdraw the money. Correct or not? So there also, when the website through the website, like internet, when the traffic is coming, reaching to a website have to reach to where? To the Momo, right? You initiate a traffic for the Facebook. So Facebook is giving reply back to you, but it is not directly come to you. It is reached to where? It is reached to your proxy. Understood my point?
Okay.
Proxy is your BERP. So BERP is check everything, every steps. Understood? This is for monitoring. IP address, everything it will check. Then after it will send it to you. So on that time, what happened? BERP is finding no. This is the here kinds of malicious. What is malicious information is coming? What BERP will do? BERP itself will be blocked, and then after it will be give the information. Don't communicate with this website. Understood my point? So because of that only we are using the proxy, monitoring, blocking on alpha. Clear?
Okay.
Understood, right?
Okay.
Okay. So like this is the way we are going to work on the BERP.
Okay, I will keep doing some research on BERP
Yeah, you
also.
research on that. Okay, you go and research on that. Understood? No? What is the task? Just give me this one. I'm giving you a task. Give me the permission.
Okay.
You given me permission, right?
Yes, I'm giving.
See here, what you have to do. You have to work today. BERP. Okay. Then proxy. How? Proxy browsers are working. Are you getting?
Okay.
Benefits, drawback. See, Momo, here I'm using the antivirus, right? This is my Quick Heal antivirus. So Quick Heal acts as a proxy here. You understood my point? So when the traffic is initiated from myself or from you outside, it is coming. It is just first reach to the Quick Heal. After that, it will be come to me. You
Okay.
understood my point? Think or not? You reach come here. What you will find? Let me open the firewall. Windows Firewall Defender. This is the Windows Defender firewall. I open this one. See here, if I want to change the firewall, it is telling you no, you cannot change the firewall settings. Why? Because Quick Heal is accessing this one. Are you getting?
Okay.
Before that, I told you when you're working on the browsers and all, you have to disable. Remember or not?
Yes, yes.
On GNS3.
I remember.
Correct?
Yes.
Clear, right? When you are updating images and all on the GNS3. But here, what it is telling you, no, you cannot change. You have to disable the antivirus. Then after you have the permission, because this is complete authorized by the your Quick Heal antivirus. Clear my points? You're getting
Okay.
right. So like this is the way the proxy is working. So here antivirus. This is the kinds of antiviruses and all inside that, inside your proxy, because inside that they have the signatures. If the signatures are matching with that, it will allow, or else it will block. Clear?
Okay.
Okay, so work on that, fine. And we'll see tomorrow. Classes is every day. Understood?
What is the question you asked to work on that? Just show me again. You wrote it. I didn't.
Benefits, drawback. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
How antiviruses are working.
Okay. Okay. No problem.
It's clear?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so these are the stuffs, questions I have given to you, and we'll see you tomorrow. Okay.
Okay. Okay. No problem.
Fine, man. Take care.
Okay. Fine.
We have to work more, and I will try to complete all sessions. Okay, I'll not leave a single.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Take care, man.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Okay.